a second.
It doesn't look like it's working.
Be patient. It work?
Hurry up.
Yes.
Guys, you shouldn't be here. We're gonna get in trouble.
Why are you even here then? If you want, you can just go home and watch Love Island. Nobody will care.
Your pad, you got the thing.
Nah, Rosie has it.
Rosie, pass. Thanks. Hey guys, it's ready.
This isn't much of a cult, is it?
Ha ha. Candles?
Check.
Matches?
Wait, what? Rosie, I can't believe you forgot them. Are you really that stupid? It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault.
Quit arguing. You two sound like a married couple on the brink of divorce.
Look, shut up, okay? This is the chant. Repeat after me. Domine satane.
Domine satane.
Exaudi clamor.
Exaudi clamor.
Tuam da nobis.
Tuam de nobis.
Potestatem.
Potestatem. You guys are wasting my time.
Wait, where's Bella? It worked.
What is that?
We gotta go.
Rosie, go now!